Today we have the 2020 Seat Ateca. This vehicle has done just under 65,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as voice control. Moving on to our screen, we can access radio, media, smartphone integration and voice control. On the right we have navigation, Apple and Android CarPlay and MirrorLink, our vehicle status and menu. If we put our vehicle into reverse, you can see that it comes with Park Pilot, front and rear parking sensors. Just below the screen is our dual zone climate control. If we press our mode button, we can switch between our 4 different driving modes.